Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Benita from Skoatch, and today I will be showing you how you can create a custom article making use of Skoatch. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is to come to the sidebar of your dashboard after logging in and come to create custom article, right? So you're going with your keyword, going with business growth. Now, you can choose the preferred language you would want your articles to be created in. Are we choosing English? Now, you can also choose to add your title, or you can allow Skoatch automatically generate your title for you. For this course, we would allow Skoatch to do that for us. So now, if you want your article to be more precise, more personalized, and you want it to meet your expectation, then you need to create an outline. Creating an outline, I mean adding headers, headings, H2s to your article. So you can decide or choose to add your articles manually, or you can allow Skoatch to automatically generate it for you. So let's just allow Skoatch generate an article H2 for us in our article. You can see now Skoatch has added a lot of H2 for us. And mind you, the maximum amount of H2 that can be generated in your article is just 10. So you can choose to delete them. You can choose to edit and add anything you want to add to the H2 that has been created. Right, so for me, I'll be deleting some of this. I'll just keep like four of them for my article. And you can also see that you can move the way you want your headlines, your headers, your H2 to be added to your articles. You can move them. I might want technique one to come first, or move it up, technique two to follow, and move it up, and then the other ones can come down. Depending on how you want to arrange them, you just go ahead to arrange your H2. Now for the article outline, let's move to the option tab. You will see here that you can choose the minimum number and maximum number of list counts that you want. You can also do same for the table count. You can choose to use bold or italic, your choice. We can also choose the number of Google page we want Skoatch to analyze for us, which also means SERP, which is SERP. And then we can also choose the minimum and maximum word count we want in our article. We can also choose the amount of images we want, the minimum and maximum amount of images we want. Choosing 2 and maximum should be 4. And also for the H2 count, if you've not already set the H2 count from the previous tab, then you can also set it here. Now, take note that if we leave this word count field blank, what Skoatch will do is that it will calculate and generate the word count based on the weighted average of the SERP, which is SERP, to generate your article, right? So we would allow Skoatch to do that. So we would not add anything on that field. So now let's go to the publication field. Right here, you can add your site, your persona. If you do not know how to add your site or your persona, you need to go back to one of our tutorials, check out tutorials on how to generate your first projects in Skoatch. It has the detailed information on how to generate your site and also create your persona. So that you can catch up. And right here, you can add your category, the author, a random author if you have any. And here you can choose to publish to draft or auto publish depending on what you want. And then also that's publishing directly to your WordPress or Shopify. You can also choose a date or a time for you to publish your article. And right here, let's go to the link tab. The link tab here, we have the internal linking and the external linking. For the internal linking, you have maximum of 5 internal links that you can add to your article automatically. So let's just pick 2. For the external links, you can add as much external links as possible. So let's add just 1. Let's use https google.com and just call it Google. Right. So now let's go to the media tab. Right here, you can choose the video. You can choose a video to be in your article or not. You can choose it to be at the beginning, randomly, or wherever you want it to be. You just set it. Now let's go to the customization tab. Right here, you can set your personalized instruction in your article, and then for the summary, you can request for a summary and the summary type. You want a summary table with no emoji, or you want a summary table with emojis, you just set that up. And then for customization, you can customize a title for your article, and you can set it to be wherever you want it to be, right? And then for the background color, you can also do that. So once you are done filling all the fields in this process to creating your custom article, you can go ahead to generate your article. Now you see that your article is being generated, so you give Skoatch few minutes to generate your article. Now we can see that our article has been generated. It's been completely generated. So we'll click on it and voila, we can see our article. You can see the image we generated. You can see the video we also added. You can see the H2 we added, the image, another image. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see the internal links that Skoatch generated, automatically added for us. You can see the external link we added, which is the Google link. And it came out just so beautiful, right? You can still go ahead to edit your article as you want. You can come here to edit them depending on how you want it, right? And also, remember I told you we shouldn't add anything to the word count field. That's because Skoatch wanted to generate it based on the weighted average of the SERP, which is the SERP. Now let's check that in the summary right here. We can see that the word count was generated, wow, and the average SERP is 670. The weighted SERP average is 275. The SERP minute is 122. Max 2,552. You can see here the H2 count, which is 4. The number of images that was generated. This is just the entire summary of the article. The number of the video, the number of the tables, the number of lists that has been added to the article. And this brought us to this beautiful article right here. So do not forget to like and share this video, and also we would love you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more tutorials like this on how to use our tool, which is Skoatch, the best AI writing platform. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.